So today we are going to be planting some potatoes. This is going to be one of our potato beds, and we are going to get to work.
So yeah, I actually started yesterday with cleaning out this built-in box. It had thick plastic underneath and lots of brush and weeds.
So these are gold potatoes, and this is what we're going to plant over here in this bed. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. And so we're going to put this part in the dirt, and we're going to keep this up.
So this is a close-up of the potatoes. And if you've ever seen this, like when your potatoes go bad or they're all wrinkly and these eyes grow on them, as we call them, that's actually where other potatoes are grown from. Before this whole planting process, I had no ideas that potatoes were grown from other potatoes. I think that's pretty cool. So here is the soil that I'm going to be using for the potato bed, and then I'm going to add this black cow. So potatoes have to be 12 inches apart, and so I'm going to try to be strategic because this is my box right here, and I want to fit as many potatoes as I can. So I was thinking if I went diagonal, then went another diagonal, I could get more potatoes in this box instead of going just straight down 12 inches and another 12 inches. That would just be 2 potatoes here. But if I did diagonal, 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato. So 3 potato, 4.
No form or comeliness that we should behold him, despised, rejected by men. He's the man of sorrows, he bore our grief. Okay, because potatoes need to be planted 6 to 8 inches deep, I can get probably 6 inches of dirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and push these down about 6 inches. So I was able to get these down probably like 3 or 4 inches. So what I'm going to do, since I plan on putting some barrier for weeds down, I'm going to lay my barrier and then I'm going to add some more dirt on top because I still have plenty of room from here to add more dirt as much as I need, and then I'm going to top it off with pine straw. Okay, so this is the paper that I'm planning to use and just put down. It's just a thin roll of paper to hopefully combat some weeds. Behold my King. Behold my King, His Majesty. Stripped a crown of thorns, our chastisement upon him, mocked and spit upon. Okay, so I have all the potatoes planted, and the only thing I have left to do is to put some pine straw on the top just to top it off and to try to help protect it from the sun, because you don't want your potatoes to be in direct sunlight. And so that is it for this bed. So I'm here with my daughter, and we're actually about to weed out this next bed for the sweet potato slips. And so we're about to work on that right now. We're going to weed it, and we actually have some carrots that are down here that we're going to try to gently take out and transplant into some bins that I have here with dirt. And so we're hoping for the best. to the slaughter. His hands, his feet nailed to a cross. Behold my King. Behold.
Okay, so we transplanted some carrots. I know that it's overcrowded. It was hard to choose from all of those carrots. Now we're going to, now we're just gonna weed this area right here and get this bed all cleaned up.
Behold my King. 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 Behold his majesty. Worthy is the Lamb, the perfect slain of God.
As I've placed holes all along, measured 12 inches apart, and put holes all along this paper, and I'm going to slip a potato slip, which I will show you what it looks like inside each one of those. So this is a potato slip, a sweet potato slip, and that just means it's a potato plant, sweet potato plant, and I'm going to slip each one of these into those holes over there.
Holy, holy, holy is He. Redeemed us by His blood, the perfect sacrifice. There is none more worthy than He. Holy.
So we got all of our slips planted in. Okay, so we have all of those sweet potato slips planted. Now all we're gonna do is lay down our soil and then top it with some pine straw, and that's gonna be it for our beds.
The perfect sacrifice.